Today I wanted to talk about the concept of lean commerce. Threekit Visual Commerce is a great linchpin for brands and manufacturers who want to operate on a lean commerce. And today I'm going to talk about 3 steps about how to make that happen. First off, lean commerce is the concept of being able to run a much more lean manufacturing supply chain. You don't have to carry as much inventory, and therefore you run a lower cost and faster production schedule. So how Threekit works is we are a visual commerce platform, and what that means is you can visualize every single potential aspect of your product. What that also means is you don't need to create samples. You don't need to fly things in from China and take photos of those things. It all exists digitally. Threekit can exist as your digital twin platform. You can order those materials just in time to manufacture that product and send it. Again, you don't need to hold massive supply chains or inventory for the product. You can create products that have never existed before digitally, sell those products, understand the right demand for it, and then once someone has made an order, you can manufacture that product. This is a game changer for companies who need to hold lower inventory, or their inventory is super expensive, or their product is super expensive to make. This is an area that we're seeing a lot of interest in right now, and that's the basic concept of lean commerce. And you can learn more. We've just wrote a great blog about it, The Age of Lean Commerce. You can find that on Threekit.com.